Welcome. If you've been noticing unwanted or offensive language in your Facebook comments or posts, there's good news. Facebook has introduced an easy way to filter out profanity, helping you keep your space cleaner and more positive. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to enable this feature on your PC. First, open the Facebook app or go to Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear, giving you access to more detailed controls for your account. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage everything from privacy to notifications. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Followers and Public Content. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Facebook lets you control how people interact with your public posts and what kind of content is visible. Inside this section, look for the option called Hide Posts and Comments with Profanity. Once you find it, simply turn it on. With this feature enabled, Facebook will automatically filter out comments and posts that contain offensive or inappropriate language. And that's it. You've successfully activated a cleaner and more controlled environment on your Facebook profile. This is especially useful if you want to maintain a respectful space for yourself and your audience. If you found this helpful, feel free to explore more Facebook settings to further customize your experience. Thanks for watching.